है.
Listen carefully everything, and then I will ask some questions. Okay, if you don't understand,
Ma'am, if possible, please play on the VLC.
Functions of management can help you effectively manage.
Because its voice is very low.
It can help you understand, at the minimum, the purpose of some departments, such as
Hello?
control,
now it is okay.
recruitment, or
No,
training.
ma'am, its voice is very low.
You have to increase your system voice.
My system voice is full, ma'am.
Yeah, how many of you not listen carefully? Everyone?
Ma'am, voice is very
No,
low,
voice
ma'am.
is very low.
Voice is very low. Okay, we'll try something because in my
Slide is
PC
visible, but voice is less.
voice is less, but I have seen full
Yeah,
volume.
actually, it's a media player fault. You can play that in the VLC.
Just listen carefully, okay?
As a frontline leader,
Yep.
it can appreciate the activities and tasks you need to do. There are 5 functions of management. These are Posticon, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and control. Planning is charting the future. It is deciding in advance what to do, when to do it, and how it's going to be done. It can be as big as deciding the vision, and objectives of a company or a plan to improve certain business metric of your team. It is identifying what you want, when you should achieve it, and how it will be achieved. Next, organizing is called the backbone of management. Organizing is grouping of activities together. Think of your departments. All employees that hire additional employees are grouped under the recruitment department, or those who advertise and sell the product serve under marketing and sales, and those who actually make the product or services work under productions or operations. Organizing is also creating the organizational structure or hierarchy of the business. It's delegation of authority and creation of responsibilities and tasks. Organizing also ensures that whatever necessary items the business or department needs are met, such as the need for materials like machineries or computers, capital, and personnel. Third, staffing is commonly associated with hiring and promoting employees. As a function of management, it goes more than that, as it involves training and development, remuneration, directing, on the other hand, makes the plans concrete. It involves employees. All of these are done with organizational goals. Finally, controlling and measuring performance on a set of standards and correcting any deviation. Let's say your actual net promoter score or client satisfaction is low in the target. Control would be creating the necessary steps to correct and achieve the target. Overall, a plan normally do a
Hello,
smaller
ma'am.
version.
Yes.
On a bigger level,
It's stuck on directing.
part service. Planning is normally done by
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a disconnect now. So shall we start again?
Yeah, it start from directing.
Okay. Now skin is visible?
Oh, not yet.
Not it?
Yeah, yeah, it's visible now.
So directing is like that from
Organizing also ensures, like machineries or computer, capital, personnel. Third, staffing is commonly associated with hiring and promoting employees. As a function of management, it includes more than that. It involves training, development, remuneration, compensation, and correcting the plans. It involves supervision, motivation, leadership, and guidance of employees. All of these are done to ensure finally and division. Let's say your actual work for satisfaction. So the target.
what happened? I don't know what actually happened. Why screen is
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Correct and achieve the target. Overall, a frontline leader would normally do a smaller version of each function. On a bigger level, each function can be represented by different departments or roles. Planning is normally done by middle managers and up, such as department managers or district heads. Organizing is done by HR or senior managers, while staffing is handled by training, recruitment, and HR. Directing is handled by frontline leaders or operations, and control is handled by quality control. These are just some general activities of each function, and each industry or business will have more or less depending on their needs and wants. So these are the functions of management. Click the thumbs up button if you like this video.
have you seen everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me what you learn from this, what you actually understand.
These are the all aspects of the management.
Hmm. Management, yes.
These are the all different aspect of management.
Hmm. Yes. Say again, na means continuous. Not everyone know the all aspects,
Yeah.
right? But some example, if like if you don't controlling what happened, if you don't directing what happened, is because we see all things in detail, right?
Yes.
Hmm. Anyone? Good. Anyone? Hello? How many have you seen? Come on. Am I audible to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you not speaking? It's your platform. If you don't speak, how do you understand what you learn? I'm not telling story. It means all of you know what is fundamental management and what is the functions of management, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one person say yes, ma'am, no, ma'am. What about others? Come on. So what we do today, I have two options. First is case study or want to complete yesterday's unit.
Case study.
Case study.
Case study. Yeah, definitely will do. But before start our case study, We'll finish yesterday's some slides. Okay,
Yes, yes.
right? Yes. Case study. Very nice. So yesterday we have seen some some changes on manager jobs, because wherever you go, if you quit one company and join other company, if you are some HR background and first you are working in corporate and after that you change your profile and want to work in academics, so both are different. If you're working in manufacturing industry and after that you have to join any marketing company, so work is different. So what kind of changes you find even IT, business analytics, operations, different roles you have to play. But main and important thing is like that, if you are eager to learn, okay, what I'm saying, eager to learn, मतलब कोई कैसा एकदम हंग्री होता है तो वो एकदम फटाफट, तो वैसे ईगरनेस होना चाहिए, भूख होनी चाहिए. तो if you have it, then definitely you enjoy your work. Got it? But if you don't have, you just means working for earning and means just like that कि just मुझे पैसा कमाना है, that's why I'm working. So your aspect. But if you want really to learn something new, है ना, मतलब कहीं पे भी जाएंगे तो भी आपकी भूख जो है ना सीखने की वो कम नहीं होती है और ना ही होनी चाहिए. ये भी सीखना है, वो भी सीखना है, यहाँ से भी अर्न करना है, वहां से भी अर्न करना है. सो इट्स रियली मोटिवेट टू अस, यार मुझे ये भी आता है. सो आफ्टर 10 years 12 years now you are expert, means you have every sectors of knowledge कि इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है, मैनेजमेंट में क्या होता है, कॉर्पोरेट में क्या होता है, एकेडमिक्स में क्या होता है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में क्या होता है, पे क्या होता है, में क्या होता है, एवरी एस्पेक्ट्स. एंड आप किसी को भी बहुत अच्छे से सजेशंस दे सकते हो, किसी को भी अच्छे से गाइड कर सकते हो, तो डिपेंड ऑन योर इगनेस. सो यस्टरडे वी हैव सीन इम्पैक्ट ऑफ चेंजेस. हमने देखा था कि अगर हम चेंज करते हैं, इफ वी चेंज, सो व्हाट इम्पैक्ट हैपेंड. ओके, नेक्स्ट इट इज लाइक दैट impact of changes. Yes, we are here outsourcing. Yes, yesterday risk management we have seen, globalization concerns we have seen, artificial intelligence we have seen, shareholders expectations we have seen yesterday, and today we have seen outsourcing. What it is, anyone tell me the meaning of outsourcing? Simple. एक्चुअली आपको सब पता है, बट मैनेजमेंट फंडामेंटल में ये जो वर्ड है, जैसे कल हमने ये देखा था कि आपका पजल्स है ना, तो एवरीथिंग सबको पता था, सबने बहुत अच्छे से आंसर किया है. रियली आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू ऑल. बट क्या था, वर्डिंग प्रॉपर नहीं था, है ना, मतलब अगर आप वही वर्ड यूज कर रहे हो तो वही फिट आ रहा था. सो दैट इज, कम ऑन, गलत हुआ तो चलेगा, ट्राई तो करो. चलो, outsourcing, yes, come on, don't keep
Ma'am,
quiet.
Sujata, sir.
Yes, Sujata, tell me.
Ma'am, outsourcing is the business practice of hiring a party outside a company to perform services.
Yes, but it's a book language, na Sujata. I need
Yes,
to I please explain me the one word of outsourcing, what it is.
Doing work from third party.
Yes, correct. Doing work from third party. Any other? Absolutely right. Yes.
If you want to hire employees, but you can't even bear the expenses of employees, so that you can give a tender, or you can give you can make an agreement with the third party, that is the agency.
Yes.
That
Right.
is the agency who can give you the employees just for the temporary basis.
Yes. For example, manpower.
The security agency.
Yes, security. Yes. Very good. Wow, you are so brilliant, guys. Means you know everything. Superb. Very nice. So I'm so happy. So outsourcing means like that. A big company, what happened if you don't have, if you are a manager, okay, you have a manager, so you have a lot of rights to what to do. And sometimes when a big tender or big work or big pressure, so that time if you don't have manpower, okay, if you don't have that kind of person, so what do? You have to hire third party and complete your work, right? So that is how, means what happened, whatever the work, whatever the pressures you have, if you share to others, so definitely it will done. So that is outsourcing. And as a manager, it's your duty to fulfill tasks on time, okay, to achieve the goal. So outsourcing is best impact, especially in finance department, especially in tender department, because they are too much workloading and they don't have time to check the figures and all and all. So if you hire outsourcing persons, sourcing whatever manpower and all, you pay him, so definitely they will take efforts to complete their work on time and submit to you. So that is most important. How, so lot of time we have adjust that kind of work, okay, but big companies hire that kind of people to finish or to fulfill their work, okay. So that is most important. Then economic downturns. What it is, economic downturns? Whom is speaking?
It's a
Just
downtime in the organization, like a COVID situation.
yes. COVID situation or any time of floods.
Yeah.
Lot of activities happen every year. We have seen, right?
Recession.
So,
Yeah.
yes, recession. Then floods, some kind of earthquakes. Lot of things happen. Not only here, but other countries or other states happen. So economic downturns. That time we face this situation, but it's as a human being we have a right to help others. So economic downturn are coming, but if you are a hardworking person and if you give in good returns, work hard and give, so it's not impact. But sometimes it's, lot of time it's happened when I was working in that time 2 years. So it's impact in your increment, it's impact in your salary, performance, every things. So that time if मेरे ख्याल से 2016-17 में ऐसा कुछ हुआ था, तो फ्लड्स वगैरह का इशू चल रहा था, तो बहुत सारी कंपनीज ने एम्प्लॉइज को सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट नहीं दिया था बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सिचुएशन. तो जितनी भी बिग कंपनीज होती है उन्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बट आफ्टर दैट दे विल रिकवर. फिर 2 साल बाद वो 2 साल का एक साथ देते थे, डिपेंड ऑन देयर टर्नओवर एंड ऑल, ओके. सो इट कम्स, बट बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं जब वो काम करते हैं, इफ यू आर ज्वाइन एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड सेम, मतलब व्हाट हैपेंड कि अभी प्रमोशन होने वाला है आपका ये साल, मान लीजिए अभी मार्च में आपका प्रमोशन होने वाला है और फरवरी में ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि आपका प्रमोशन नहीं हुआ, कंपनीज ने डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि ड्यू टू दिस फ्लड, ड्यू टू दिस अर्थक्वेक, कंपनी नॉट इशू बोनस, कंपनी नॉट गिवन सम काइंड ऑफ incentives to their employee. Then what happened? You demotivated, right? Because you have doing some kind, lots of plan कि मेरा इंक्रीमेंट होगा, मैं बॉस बनूंगा तो मैं ये करूंगा, मैं वो करूंगा, मेरा ऐसा होगा, फैमिली सोसाइटी में मुझे बहुत अच्छे से जज करेंगे लोग. ये सारा आपका प्लानिंग होता है, आपको आपके बॉस ने ये बताया होता है कि यस दिस ईयर आपका इंक्रीमेंट है, आपका प्रमोशन भी है, बट सम ये ऐसा हो गया तो आपको डिमोटिवेट हो गए. फैमिली बोलेंगे क्या है, कुछ तो हुआ नहीं, बस बजा रहे थे. सो ऐसा होता है. बट और डिमोटिवेट होके आप कभी कभी जॉब भी छोड़ देते हैं, तो ऐसा होना नहीं होना चाहिए. लेकिन कंपनी जितने भी मुझे पता है, जितने भी कॉर्पोरेट्स होते हैं, वो भले ही अभी डिक्लेयर कर दे, बट आफ्टर 1 ईयर और 2 ईयर्स के बाद वो सारा एक साथ आपको देते हैं. सो दैट इज इकोनॉमिक डाउनटर्न. अभी भी इतना पेंडेमिक था तो हम लोगों ने अपने आप को मोटिवेट करके रखा, राइट? एवरी टाइम we spent lot of time with our family members, we do lot of things, we learn lot of things. So same time इसी तरह से हमें अपने आप को क्या करते रहना है, मोटिवेट करके रखना है और बिल्कुल घबराना नहीं है. ठीक है, happened, but after some times it will change and we'll get good returns. इमिग्रेशंस, ये भी हुआ है लॉकडाउन में. ये तो हमने बहुत अच्छे से देखा है. इमिग्रेशंस बहुत बार होता है, बट इससे भी हमें घबराना नहीं है. बट हाँ, बट इफ यू गेट एन गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी, ओके, अगर अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है और आपने देखा, आपने अपना प्रोफाइल देख रहे हैं कि यार अभी इस बार तो मुझे काफी अच्छा चांस मिल रहा है कि टू लर्न समथिंग न्यू, टू इंटरेक्ट विथ न्यू पीपल, सो डेफिनेटली यू इमिग्रेट योरसेल्फ. बट जहाँ पे जरूरी नहीं है, आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं अभी रिसेशन आ रहा है और सम काइंड ऑफ होने वाला है, तो थोड़ा सा सोच समझ के. कभी कभी कंपनी, इस बार तो हमने देखा कि पेंडेमिक में बहुत सारी कंपनीज ने ही बोल दिया कि भाई तुम घर में ही रहो, आने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट जो लोगों का मतलब था आना जाना या चल इधर से उधर जाना, इधर से, तो उन लोगों ने भी क्या किया, क्विट कर दिया और दूसरी जगह ज्वाइन किया. कम इसमें, या फिर इसमें हम लोग न्यू जगह क्यों जाना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज अच्छा इंक्रीमेंट हो, प्रमोशन हो. बहुत बार क्योंकि कंपनी में तो हर साल तो प्रमोशन होता नहीं. जो टैलेंटेड होता है बंदा या जिसका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा होता है उसी को प्रमोशन मिलता है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम we have seen like that 10 years 15 years we are working same position, no increment, no promotion, no performance, so we fed up and definitely we just decide ki no, I want to quit and I want to change my profile, I want to join other company. So that is good if you get an opportunity to do something, so definitely you quit and join some other companies. Got it? Anyone want to ask question regarding this? Yes, have you seen my screen? Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Now changes, impact of changes in increase emphasis on organizational and managerial ethics. Yes, you should know about managerial ethics. Okay, redefined values, what it is, rebuilding trust, increase accountability and social responsiveness. Got it? So redefined value means what? Redefined value means every day you should be positive, just thinking, don't go with negative things, because lot of people are there, you work together and everyone is not same. So someone is thinking negative, someone is thinking positive, so you just create and change and redefine your values, because you are a boss, you are a manager. So everyone, every day, everyone, you just follow you, right? Your words, they follow your words, they follow your motivations, because manager means leader. Okay, if you demotivate, if you say something negative in front of them, definitely your staff demotivated. So always redefine value, you create new things every day. So these good things impact on your team, impact on their work performance, right? So always change your values. Rebuilding trust. Okay, rebuilding trust means, yes, if some new persons join or working under with you, freshers working with you, so they don't know, freshers means trainer, they don't know what is the organization, what is manager, what is leadership, what is teamwork, what is the structure of whole management, they don't know, they are a new learner. So you have a good habit and you have to know how to impress that person, because he is a new person new learner. If you say him a good things, definitely he follow you. At our home, what do? We follow our parents, okay, since our childhood. What mama does, we do same thing. What father does, we do same things, because we just observe, follow them and do same thing again and again. What means, not only how they communicating, how they working, how they dancing, how they smile, how they scolding, everything we follow. So as a manager in any organization, you just keep in your mind that you are a manager and all people see you, all people follow your values, your ideas, your thoughts, your ethics. So it's most important. So you should be disciplined always. Discipline means reach time before 5 to 10 minutes. So others learn from you. Yes, the person is too much punctual. Don't show your stress in front of them. Scold them, but smoothly, politely. हाँ, sometime ऐसा होता है कि हमें बहुत जोर से चिल्लाना पड़ता है. कोई नहीं समझता, किसी को वही लैंग्वेज समझ में आती है. So that is fine. But स्कोल्डिंग कैसा करना चाहिए, डांटना भी है तो उसे सेपरेट बुलाइए कैबिन में, सबके सामने बिल्कुल मत डांटिए, बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं कहना है सबके सामने. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बैड हैबिट. यू जस्ट कॉल हिम इन योर कैबिन एंड टोल्ड देम व्हाट ही, उसकी क्या गलती थी, व्हाट ही डिड मिस्टेक्स, एंड वार्न हिम आल्सो कि नेक्स्ट टाइम you don't do this, otherwise I will not take your side. Just warn you, but in front of people don't do this. Okay, so rebuilding your trust means person को जैसे आप इस तरह से behave करते हैं तो definitely your team people are working you. Okay, mistakes होती है, but it doesn't mean कि उसने mistake कर दी तो आपका उसका उस पर से trust ही चला गया. नहीं, you have to create. Okay, no issue, you have to do again, but without mistakes. Okay, so be polite, be humble with your teams, with your colleagues. Okay, now increased accountability. What it is, increased accountability? Anyone? Yes. Hello, am I audible? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ओहो,
Yes, ma'am.
कितना टाइम लगता है आपको बोलने के लिए? Okay, so increase accountability, what is mean? Okay, increase accountability means you have to be patient. You have to check each and everything minutely. Okay, means practice से ही ये सारी चीजें आपको पता चलती है. Imbibe yourself. Okay, check every figure very well, the format very well, font, because अभी तो डिजिटल आप तो सारा वर्क इसी पे करते हैं, तो फॉन्ट चेक करिए. आपका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है ना, आपका जो कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स आप बना रहे हो या कुछ भी, तो आपका प्रेजेंटेशन प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, फॉन्ट प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, आपका अलाइनमेंट प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, वर्डिंग प्रॉपर होना चाहिए. जिस तरह से आप लिख रहे हैं, चाहे एटिकेट, मैंने देखा ना अभी आप लोगों के कितने अच्छे अच्छे मेल आए हैं, मतलब आई एम शॉकिंग कि ऑल पीपल आर डूइंग एमबीए, और आपको मतलब 2 लाइन भी, कुछ ही लोग हैं ऐसे जिन्होंने अच्छे से लिखा है, बाकी तो बस. सो इम्प्रूव योरसेल्फ. ऐसा नहीं कि बस डिग्री के लिए कर रहे हैं. हाँ, ये चीजें अभी आप सीखेंगे तभी आपको आगे चल के बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. एचआर तो यही सारी चीजें चेक करता है, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट इट फॉर व्हाटएवर द पोजीशन. गॉट इट? सो इंक्रीज अकाउंटेबिलिटी. अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करिए, अपनी फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज करिए. हाँ समझ में नहीं आया, आई एम हियर, कि बार बार पूछो, नहीं समझ में आया, नहीं समझ में आया, बट 10 बार बोलने के बाद भी आप गलती मत दोहराइए। नाउ सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस, ऑफ कोर्स यू आर वर्किंग इन सोशली, सो आपकी सोशल भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। से एवरीवन टू गुड मॉर्निंग सर, गुड इवनिंग मैम, व्हाटएवर, सोशल एवरीवन जो भी इन फ्रंट ऑफ आता है। जब भी आप मॉर्निंग में ऑफिस में आते हो या कॉलेज में आते हो, तो शो योर मींस यू नीड टू लर्न एटिकेट्स। डजंट मैटर कि वो आपसे छोटा है बड़ा है, बट ऑलवेज स्माइलिंग फेस एंड से गुड इवनिंग सर। बिल्कुल ये आदत ही डाल दीजिए, कहीं पे भी आप जाते हैं ना, ये बिल्कुल मैं वो तो बात ही नहीं करता मुझसे, वो तो उस डिपार्टमेंट का है। नेवर, व्हेनेवर यू मीट फर्स्ट से हैप्पीली गुड इवनिंग मैम। क्या लगता है स्माइल करने के लिए पैसे लग रहे हैं? नहीं, बट आप देखिए कि आपका स्माइलिंग फेस देख के सामने वाला भी फ्रेश हो जाए। गुड इवनिंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, इट्स मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिवनेस ये बहुत इम्पैक्ट करता है एवरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में। खुद को मोटिवेशंस मिलता है। हम खुद का तो छोड़ दीजिए, आप खुद के लिए तो बात ही मत करिए। आप हमेशा ये सोचिए कि मुझे मेरी पर्सनालिटी ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि सामने वाला इम्प्रेस हो जाए। नॉट ओनली इम्प्रेस, बट सामने वाले को मोटिवेशन, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसे, चार्ज मिल जाए कि यस। सो ऑटोमेटिकली अगर आप किसी भी बंदे से गुड मॉर्निंग हेलो कहते हैं तो सामने वाला स्माइल कर देता है। अगर वो फ्रस्ट्रेट में हो तो सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिव, आप अपनी सोसाइटी में रहते हो, कहीं पे भी घर पे रहते हो, तो से योर दिस काइंड ऑफ, मतलब ये आदत अभी से अगर होगी तो डेफिनेटली आपको आगे जाने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता। सो गुड क्वालिटीज इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। वॉट एवर द वर्क, सिर्फ हंसने से नहीं होगा, आपको वर्क भी करना है, ऑन टाइम करना है, टारगेट अचीव करना है, वो भी ऑन टाइम करना है। गॉट इट? अदरवाइज आपको कुछ, मतलब ठीक है लर्न कर रहे हैं, सीख रहे हैं, डजंट मैटर, बट you need to learn something new every time, every lectures. I told you ki just keep copy and pen with you. Whatever the notes, whatever the subjects you learn, you just note down ki today is date daliye and just what you learn, and just one habit ये आप डाल दीजिए कि every day you should write a diary, what good things you learn. Only 1-2 lines you should return in your diary. Got it? So anyone want to ask these questions? Yes? समझ में आ रहा है सब? बोर हो रहा है तो बोलिए। Yes, Suvarna, thank you. Anyone want to ask questions like this point? Organizational and managerial ethics.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Whatever you just told us, like every kind of etiquette we need to adopt. But what if we are trying to show our etiquettes, but सामने वाला etiquettes का reply नहीं करता? Sometimes it happens. Like no. I'm just telling कि if we say something or we express something, so वो कभी कभी लाइक बात करेगा या नहीं करेगा, सो इट लूजेस आवर मोरल कि यार इससे बात करना बेकार है, ये तो मतलब लाइक एक्सप्रेस ही नहीं करता है कुछ, so that time what to do?
Yes, you should know na ki first time you just said something like yeah you are a good person and he didn't reply, so next time you don't give some kind of things na कि आप उसे छोड़ दीजिए ना, next time don't give him priority ना, right? So ये भी एटिकेट्स आप में होने चाहिए। आपको पता है कौन रिस्पॉन्स कर रहा है कौन नहीं, so ये भी पता होना चाहिए, है ना?
Okay.
So don't express your feeling in front of them कि उसे कुछ पता ही नहीं, हो सकता है वो आपने क्या बोला उसे समझा ही नहीं हो, ऐसा भी होता है ना। तो ऐसे पीपल के साथ रहेंगे, मतलब आपको ऐसे एनवायरनमेंट में रहना। हम यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सीख रहे हैं, तो अगर आप किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करेंगे और आप अपने, मतलब जैसे आप अगर मैनेजर है तो डेफिनेटली आपकी टीम आपको रिस्पेक्ट करेंगी, वो एवरीडे योर टीम से गुड good evening sir, good afternoon sir, good morning sir, sir that kind of task not done sir, this is so definitely you just make a relation with your teams good, your colleagues, okay, but मीन्स सोशल एनवायरनमेंट में आपको सोशल रहना है, आपको रेगुलर जाना है, जैसे आप अपनी सोसाइटी में रहते हो तो when you wake up early in the morning, that time whenever in front of you you say good morning, good evening sir, doesn't matter, but it's a good habit, okay, and those who are not react, so okay, no issue, okay, so don't feel like that, आपको उसको दिल से नहीं लगाना है यार, मैंने सुबह इसको गुड मॉर्निंग बोला और इसने तो कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं दिया, तो आपको नाराज नहीं होना है, अगर आप नाराज हो गए तो हो गए पंचर, तो पंचर मत होइए, यू ऑलवेज अपनी बैटरी को चार्ज करके रखिए कि यस एवरी डे एक नया थॉट के साथ अपना यस आज तो मैं पूरा करूंगा ही अपना काम, मैं अच्छा पर्सन हूं, आई एम ऑलवेज अ गुड स्माइल पर्सन, ऐसा ही आप सोचिए, गॉट इट, यस, anyone want to ask anything, getting bored, लेक्चर बोर हो रहा है क्या, बिल्कुल बिंदास से बोलिए कि मैडम लेक्चर बोर हो रहा है, अपने पास बहुत कुछ है लेने के लिए एक्टिविटी, यस, बोर हो रहा है लेक्चर,
नहीं मैम,
नहीं हो रहा है, सिर्फ एक ही बोला, बाकी
No, ma'am.
ओके
No, ma'am.
ओके, सो अभी चलिए मुझे बताइए, मतलब आई वांट टू न्यू लाइक दैट, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ मैनेजर, फटाफट, क्विक क्विक क्विक, first you should give your introduction, who tell your name and yes I want to become a manager and why, come on, yes, yes, speak up Mahesh, unmute yourself and speak up. Mahesh, what happened, you, I can't hear you, yes, speak up,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Is it audible?
yes,
Yeah. Could you please repeat?
I just want to ask like why, how many of you want to become a manager and why?
Yeah. So I want to become a manager. That's why I'm doing a MBA,
Mhm.
and I have to enhance my skills as a leadership quality. So
Mhm. So what qualities you feel like that ki, if you join MBA, then that qualities you have after MBA?
yeah, the presentation skills, the manage the people, and to handle the organization and the other peoples as well.
Mhm.
From my project and the other parties as well. Yeah.
Okay. So now you are working, right? So you
Yes.
working alone or with team?
Yeah, with team, obviously.
Yeah, good. So how was your experience with them?
Yeah,
Still?
but it's only about my team, right? But I have to also explore the other teams as well in the my organization, as well as the what other peoples are doing, what management peoples are doing. So that's why
Okay.
I'm looking yeah, in
Yeah,
that
very good.
depth as
Very
well.
good. Very good. Yes. Anyone? Very nice. Anyone? Come on, just 5 minutes. We just know about 5 to 10 people. Come on. No one want to become a manager. Oh my God, why should I learn this subject? मुझे तो लगा कि ये सब्जेक्ट मैं पढ़ाऊंगी तो कम से कम 40-50 ऐसे ही मैनेजर बन जाएंगे. Come on. Only Mahesh want to become a manager. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
बाकी सबने अनम्यूट करके रखा है, कोई टीवी देख रहा है, कोई खाना बना रहा है, कोई अपना काम कर रहा है. What happened? Exams है, don't forget. Yes, Anurag.
Yes, ma'am. Anurag here.
Hmm.
Like you said right now, who wants to become a manager? So, according to my point of view, first of all, I want to give the definition of manager. Like, according to me, the manager is who manages whole thing, who is not only the employee, who, the boss or the owner of the business is also a manager of the business. Like, he manages everything, like a supply of imports.
Mhm.
Sorry for this interruption. Supply of imports and outputs of goods, then hiring employees, or just give the order or give the work to do for the
Yes, yes,
employees. So
yes.
I just want to become that type of manager who manages whole thing, or who has a long-term plan,
Mhm.
long-term vision in his mind, so that he can achieve the goals whatever he has been planning.
Definitely, yes.
So that's the only why I want to become a manager.
Superb. Very well,
Thank
very
you.
nice. Anyone? Suvarna?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Abhishek here.
Yes,
And
Abhishek.
ma'am, I totally
Nice
agree
to-
with the Anurag. Like he
Mhm.
said, the manager is someone who manages all the things.
Yes,
Like
perfect.
I want to say, like I don't want to become a manager in other company because I would like to start my own business.
Wow. Superb.
So
Entrepreneurship. Good.
in my words, manager, I want to become manager because I like to influence people.
Wow, superb, very nice. But for that, Abhishek, you need to speak very well. Okay, if you really want to influence in people, so you should communicate very well. Okay, you have
Yes,
a good communication skill to talk with them, to interact with them. So
yes, ma'am.
every day, whatever the lectures, when so you speak with us. Okay, very
Yeah,
nice,
ma'am. Sure, sure.
very nice. Anyone? Come on, 3 peoples हो गए. Oh my God, ladies कोई नहीं है क्या? Come on. Oh, Suvarna,
Ma'am,
yes, you don't want to become a manager?
I want to become yes, I want to become a manager. Before taking admission to MBA, I was not aware these much skills a manager should perform, and he should have in between. So after learning this subject, I got so much of skills that the manager should have
Yes,
in between him.
yes.
So I will definitely involve these skills in me and become a good manager in future.
Very good. All the best. Very nice. Yes. Anyone?
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanashri? Siddeshwar? Yes, yes. Come on. Don't feel shy. हिंदी में बोलो. नहीं आता है तो. Come on. बात नहीं करोगे तो मुझे पता कैसे चलेगा? Come on, come on. It's your class. Yes, Saurav. Mahesh, Shraddha, Prashant, Nikhil, Jayjit, Mayuri, Vikas. You don't want to become manager? Saili, Vishal, Umakant, Aparna, Santosh, Rucha. Okay. So my best wish. Yes. Anyone want to- Just unmute yourself. Who is this? Okay. So very nice and my best wishes to all of you. मैं मतलब चाहती हूँ कि सारे बच्चे अच्छे जहाँ भी जाए सब अच्छा ही करे. ओके, एज अ मैनेजर वॉट एवर द लर्न वो सब करे. ठीक है, चलिए अभी हम लोग ना ये स्किप करके केस स्टडी पढ़ते हैं. जस्ट रीड इट और आप बताइए कि वो क्या है, एक्चुअल आपको क्या लगता है. ओके, लेक्चर्स को हम यहाँ पे स्टॉप करते हैं. विल कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट. ये ध्यान में रखिए हमने
मैम थैंक यू.
ये हमने यहाँ तक पढ़ा है. ठीक है, ये ध्यान में रखिएगा आप. सो नाउ वी शेयर सम केस स्टडीज विथ यू. 1 second. Just get this. Okay, and open share case study. Okay, have you seen my screen? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so read carefully. Okay. Yes. Case study related to course of fundamental of management. An example just क्योंकि हमें बहुत सारी case study पढ़नी है और हर subject की case study पढ़नी है. सो कौन पढ़ेगा? एनीवन? कोई तो भी पढ़िए। ना, किसका वॉइस अच्छा है?
आपका मैम।
ओहो, आप भी पढ़ो ना। ओके, सो XYZ is one of the top organization who deal with kids clothing. Organizations, different departments. केस स्टडी कैसे पढ़ते हैं वो भी अच्छे से सुनिए। मतलब देखिए, आपको आगे बहुत सारी केस स्टडी सॉल्व करनी है। Again, I repeat, XYZ is one of the top organizations who deal with kids clothing. Organizations different department is that marketing and human resource departments with different head supervisors, Mr. William and Mr. Jim, with totally different mindsets. Definitely एक HR है और एक marketing person है, तो definitely both are different mindsets, are working from the past decades for their company. काफी सालों से कर रहे हैं. So although both departments are successful in attaining their organization goals, but still their style are very different from each other. वो तो होना ही है, हर डिपार्टमेंट का अलग अलग रूल होता है. Marketing department is supervised by Mr. William, who is a good-hearted person but strictly follow the rules and regulations. He is a very stern person and does not accept any intervention in top management decisions. Got it? He believes that employees are part of the organization and they have to exactly follow top management decision, as the organization is paying them a closer amount to follow the instructions, जो भी होता है. Moreover, he believes that top management knows about organization more than anybody else, as they are experienced employees and can see future vision of the organization that improves current situation. It's the top management decision to hire right person for the right job. So lower management do not have any right to give their personal options. ये तो हमने भी देखा है, top management and middle management and lower management. Okay, so ये हो गया. Organization is some it's top management decision to hire right person for the right job. So lower management do not have any right to give their personal options. ये हो गया marketing person का. While Mr. Jim, human resource supervisor, believes in delegating authorities to lower staff. He also believes that every employee's point of view matter and they are also part of an organization. Although he agrees with Mr. Williams' point of view that top management are experienced employees and better understand organization needs, still he also believes that every employee opinion matters and he gives importance to their view to their employees, but also try to mold them according to organizational needs. Okay, so in his opinion, supervisors should inspire their employees in such a way that reshape their employees so that they become exactly what is expected from them and that the employees can also attain desired results more efficiently. Okay, so we have seen like that Mr. William point of view and Mr. Jim point of view. Now the question is, ये तो एक केस स्टडी था, मतलब हमने छोटा सा शॉर्ट केस स्टडी यहाँ पे लिया. अभी आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं. What do you think about XYZ cooperation head supervisor and in your point of view who is right? Why? चलिए बताइए. It's a case study. Yes. Both of point of views we read. तो आपको यही बताना है कि who is good. सबका अलग अलग, जैसे ये लोग अलग अलग है तो डेफिनेटली आपके आंसर्स भी अलग ही होंगे. यस, कौन लेगा, कौन बताएगा? ये लिख लीजिए आप ये क्वेश्चंस, ताकि कल मुझे इसका आंसर्स दे सके. आप भले ही स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. चलिए मैं फिर से बताती हूँ. ये स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए इसका, आप पढ़िए इसको, और ये दोनों तीनों क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स मुझे करने हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए आप. सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट लीडरशिप मॉडल्स और थेरीज डू यू सीन इन दिस केस? ये हम बाद में देखेंगे. लिस्ट एंड डिस्क्राइब, अभी हमने मॉडल पढ़े नहीं है. एंड व्हाट डिड दिस केस टीच यू अबाउट लीडरशिप? ट्राई टू इसे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिए. गॉट इट? दिस इज योर असाइनमेंट. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow when we start our class, so people start, just review this case study and I expect from you to good answers. Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Anyone
ma'am.
want to ask questions? ये तो छोटा केस स्टडी है. हम लोग रिसर्च भी करने वाले हैं. मैंने 2-4 लोगों से बोला भी है. बट if you are really interested then definitely you have to do it. Okay, some links और कुछ है जो मैं आपको शेयर करूंगी. आपको भी ग्रुप में वो शेयर करना है. मैं किसी एक को शेयर करती हूँ, वो आपको सबको सर्कुलेट करेगा. सो यू पार्टिसिपेट दैट what we say conference and workshop, so you will get certificates also and you learn lot of things. Okay, so have a good day and try to become a good learner and increase your eagerness day by day. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes.
Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello. Ma'am, are you there? Hello.
चल बाबा आ गया ना मैडम.